Welcome back. I want you to meet the passenger door again. Yep, now we've tied it up a fair bit. Should do some more really, but not tonight. I'm going to try and crack on and try and fix this passenger door. So I'm going to use the bottom half of the old door, but I'm not going to do that first. I'm going to try and repair the top section, which I should have done last time. Repair the top section because that's the hardest section to do for me anyway, not being a professional, and do my best to see how it goes. And if I can get that done, I know that the bottom part's plain sailing, and putting a door skin on with a hammer and a piece of wood is not an issue either. So yeah, we're going to get that done. Just want to say, if you haven't noticed already, that I'm over 5,000 subscribers now, so thanks for everybody that's subscribing and watching. Really appreciate it. Hope you enjoy some of it. I enjoy doing these most of the time. So you guys help me, spur me on, and just keep doing this. But we're going to be doing a giveaway soon. I'll try and get that sorted this week. I'm just in touch with a couple of extra companies to see if I can get some extra prizes, which will be good for you guys. But yeah, all right, let's crack on with the door. Alright, sorry about that, the phone turned off. You didn't really need to see me bodging it. So yeah, repaired as much as I can, all I can, so that's enough to get the rubber on. I basically ended up cutting out the side of this, so I could get to get in and weld the new channel in. So yeah, you can see my lovely welding. That's solid. Yeah, so that's alright. So I've just popped it in the door frame now just to see, out of interest, if it actually fits. Obviously I've still got the whole bottom part to repair yet, and I'll have to do that next time. But I'm just trying to get an idea. Okay, that's got the old door stopper bit on it, so that gives you a sort of an idea of where it was previously on the previous car. So I think it'll work. It goes in the hole anyway, that's the main thing, isn't it? Any holes a go. So yeah, alright, very short update tonight, isn't it? So yeah, so what we're going to do is we get the other door that we did have, and we're going to cut the repair panel back off again, because I'm pretty sure the door's unsavable. I might save the door pockets and the kick panels, things like that. Oh, sweaty gloves. So yeah, and then what we'll do, we'll clean this off next time and get the bottom repaired, and then we'll be at the point nearly of putting a door skin on. That's the idea anyway. But, and then what I'll do when the shot blaster comes, I'll get him to come up around the channels, I think, because there's a bit of surface rust in there. Get him to just do the channels. Still not too sure what I'm going to get the shot blaster to do at the moment. He says he's alright doing big flat panels and stuff, but I have seen a few get warped and stuff when they've been shot blasted. And obviously I don't mind him saying it, but he ain't going to do much once he's warped the things, is he? He's not going to be replacing them or anything like that. So part of me thinks I'll do all the main frameworks and all where it's all solid around door frames and bulkheads, floors and stuff. But the main panels, maybe, there's only a couple of them left, really, the wings and stuff. Leave them away from it, so he just goes around the edges, and then we'll just use a DA just to get rid of the last bit, just to not risk it. But we'll see how it goes when he gets it in a few weeks. So yeah, getting there. I just got a bit bored before I had to go inside, so I just clamped on a wing. It's genuine A panels, pattern wings, pattern front end, up the purists and all that. So yeah, a little bit of fettling. I haven't even tried to hit it with a hammer yet or anything silly like that. So yeah, it's not far off. The fold on the back of this line isn't folded enough, so it's stopping it going in a bit. But yeah, I think that'll work. Definitely do something. So what we're going to do is get all the front end bolted in. I need to make the finish off the inner wings, and then we'll weld the front on. I don't know how other people do it. I did it on the jet black, I think, if I remember. No, I think I welded the wings to the front end first around it, then force the whole thing on into position. I don't know if it's anybody else does it any differently, but I find that these wings, especially the sort of patterny ones, but even genuine ones, they're in there under a pressure. You know, you have to sort of force them all in on all the angles, clamped in, get the welds on there. You know, so yeah, you know, they're all pushing and bowing, or not bowing as much, but you know, they're forcing themselves. But yeah, before I hang up, then I just wanted to say one shout out to my best mate of the past, Aaron. He's been watching these videos for ages, and he's finally started his own little YouTube channel. Only a couple of subscribers, but if anyone could, I'll put the link in the description. Go check him out. He's got a couple of little projects, or big projects to be fair. So he's very, very new to YouTube. But yeah, he was one of my best mates when I was 18. We used to work together, just do cars together, projects together. They used to call us Ep1, Ep2. So yeah, he's moved up north now, so I don't see him much at all. But yeah, he was a very good mate at the time, and still is, if needed. But yeah, check out his things. It's Anvil Tech or something. I can't remember what he's done, but yeah, that's it. So have a check in the description, and yeah, just have a look. He's got a Jag or something, old Jag, and a couple of weird little things. So a lot to do he has. So carry on, Aaron. Anyway, that's it for now. Sorry for boring you there. There's a lot more work in that door than it looked like. So bottom of the door next time. We'll weld that on and we'll do the door skin. Bye. What do I have? Oh, I bought steak for tea. It's just a thin steak, so it's minute steak things, but yeah, it's alright. Not the best.